Every window is a tiny storm zone, where air pressure, temperature, and humidity collide. A window is not just a piece of glass and a frame, it's a miniature environment where weather phenomena play out. The air pressure difference between the inside and outside of a window creates a constant flow of air, causing the window to expand and contract with each passing storm. But that's not the strangest part. The window's frame and sash can even experience a phenomenon called sash stress. Sash stress occurs when the window's frame expands and contracts at different rates, causing it to warp or even break. It's like a tiny earthquake happening in your living room, with the window as the epicenter. The temperature difference between the inside and outside of a window can also cause the glass to expand and contract. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of water molecules. That's what's happening in your window. When the temperature drops, the water molecules in the glass slow down, causing it to contract and potentially shatter. But wait until you hear what happens when the temperature rises. The glass expands, and the window's frame can even buckle. This phenomenon occurs when the glass expands faster than the frame, causing it to warp or even break. It's a delicate balance, with the window's frame and sash working together to keep the glass intact. But even with proper installation, windows can still experience sash stress, especially during extreme weather conditions. For centuries, architects and engineers have been designing windows to withstand the elements, but the science behind it is still not fully understood. Scientists discovered that the air pressure difference between the inside and outside of a window is the key to understanding sash stress. But that's not the only factor. The temperature difference and humidity also play a crucial role. When the air pressure is high, the window's frame and sash can experience a phenomenon called sash lift. Sash lift occurs when the air pressure pushes the window's frame and sash upwards, causing it to warp or even break. It's a tiny storm, with the window as the epicenter and the frame and sash as the storm clouds. That's what's happening in your window, causing it to expand and contract. Imagine a sponge soaking up water. That's what's happening in your window. When the humidity is high, the window's frame and sash can become saturated, causing it to warp or even break. But that's not the only consequence. The window's frame and sash can also experience a phenomenon called sash sag. Sash sag occurs when the humidity causes the window's frame and sash to become heavy, causing it to sag or even collapse. It's a delicate balance, with the window's frame and sash working together to keep the glass intact. So the next time you look out the window, remember, it's not just a piece of glass and a frame, it's a tiny storm zone. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Want to learn more about the science behind windows? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more educational content.